guys, Eric Collier, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Detroit Boat Show right here at Cobo Hall, and I love this show by far. One of my favorite shows of the whole boat show season. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report to you guys on, and if I found something that everybody's going to want to learn about immediately. I'm here with my good friend Rob, Liquid Lumens. Rob, how are you?
Hi, Eric. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you as well. Liquid Lumens, this is fantastic stuff, brother. Tell me a little bit about it and why we need it for our boats.
Thank you. So what's unique about Liquid Lumens, we're one of the newer companies in the marine lighting industry.
Okay.
We're doing some things a little bit differently than they've been done traditionally, and what we're doing is we take your boat's 12-volt power supply and we run it through some DC power converters and crank it up to 34 volts.
Oh, nice. So it's more powerful.
Exactly. Higher output, higher wattage LEDs. So we start you out with a brighter LED cob than what is traditionally available in a 12-volt system.
Okay.
Then we go a step further and we use a unique combination of plano convex lenses that allow us to focus the light, collect it, and really project it behind the boat for a nice, a nice light pattern.
So let me dummy this down just for a moment, because some of the stuff I didn't quite understand.
Okay.
My main goal nowadays up in the Great Lakes is I love underwater lighting. It brings fish. I feel more comfortable swimming around in it. It's really cool, especially at night.
Absolutely.
Fantastic stuff. And not enough boats up here in the Great Lakes have underwater lighting, but there are a lot of underwater lighting companies out there. Your product seems to be light years ahead of where some of those traditional lighting companies are because of what you just explained. So if you're going to be looking into underwater lighting, this is the product to look at.
Thank you. Yeah, and we filed for a patent on our design, so it's unique to us. We're the only ones doing it this way.
Okay.
And we're really excited about it. So excited to be here in the Great Lakes community and enjoying the boat show at Detroit.
Yeah, well, what I've noticed is I've kind of wandered around your booth a little bit, Rob, is it's just not one or two lights. It's not just blue or red or green. You've got the full spectrum of colors that you're offering through some of these lights.
Absolutely. And what's unique about our products, so you can get a single color, white, blue, green, red LED,
sure,
should you choose, but we have a multicolor light that's actually an RGBW. RGBW means red, green, blue, and white.
Okay.
So our multicolor light has a true white component to it.
Okay.
A lot of the other products you'll see out there are just RGB, which means they're blending red, green, and blue to create kind of a false white.
Sure.
Our white shows up bright, true, crisp, and it gives us more blending combinations of light, so we can do 16 different color combinations out of a single light fixture with that RGBW component.
So are you normally putting these lights in the transom of the boat, or where do you normally, because I'm not real familiar with underwater lighting.
Sure.
Am I going to put this on my dock, on my boat? Where am I going to mount these lights at?
Yeah, so our products, as we talked about, at the outset, are designed for a 12-volt system. So currently, the majority of our offerings are for underwater transom lights on the back of your boat. Perfect.
Now, is it something that I take the drain plug out, put your light in, or is it something that I actually drill a hole and affix to the back of my boat?
Correct. We don't do the drain plug style lights.
Okay.
I think they've got their place in the market, but their advantage is to having a larger fixture, a higher heat dissipation, some of the things that we need for this high output lighting we're doing.
Right.
That we can't get in a light fixture that small.
So I'm drilling holes, putting these into my boat. I hook it up to my 12-volt system.
Correct.
And then it's cranking out 35 voltage lights.
34, yeah, you got
34.
it. Yep.
I love it, my man. This is fantastic
Yeah,
stuff. And I can get a wide variety of different colors,
Yes.
all with one fixture as well.
Yep.
This is neat. Tell me, why do I need an underwater light on my, why am I going to go out and buy that for my boat?
Well, when it starts to get dark in the evening, the fun's over on the water, right? No one's going to just sit and float on their boat in the dark and do nothing out there.
Right.
If you can kick some lights on, you can bring fish in, you can swim, you can see the water.
Yeah.
Now you've extended your playtime. You get to use your boat longer in the day and in a new way that you didn't used to.
I love it. This is absolutely cool. So let me ask you this. If I can't make it down to the Detroit Boat Show, Rob, and I want to get more information about Liquid Lumen, where am I going to go online to find you guys so that I can find out if this is the right product for my boat, what the costs are, who can install it, all that fun stuff?
Great question. All that information is available on our website at liquidlumens.com.
Okay.
And we have a dealer locator on our website. We've signed up some dealers here in the Great Lakes area during the Detroit Boat Show. So
good.
There's local distribution of our product now. You can find a local dealer who can help you with selecting the correct product for your boat and getting installation done.
I love it, Rob. Thank you so much, my man.
Yeah, thank
I
you,
greatly
Eric.
appreciate it. Liquidlumens.com.
You got it.
Liquidlumens.com, guys. Go there, check them out. Find a guy in your neck of the woods going to put these lights on your boats. I love the music too. Thanks so much, Rob.
All right.
We'll see you
Thanks,
guys out on the water.